I'm so excited to introduce my Beauty Sponge Gripper and Drying Stand. I use my beauty sponge every day to apply my makeup, and one day I got so frustrated with my nails and fingers getting dirty, I started looking around for a company that sells something to hold my sponge with, and there was none to be found. So I started sketching out different ideas, and I got out my acrylic and started making my own prototypes. And this is how my Beauty Gripper was born. The Beauty Gripper not only keeps your nails and fingers clean, but it is multifunctional. The Beauty Gripper gives you precise application, especially around the eye area. The Beauty Gripper makes full coverage makeup application fast and easy. The Beauty Gripper is very comfortable to hold in your hand, and the unique gripping surface doesn't damage your sponge. The Beauty Gripper holds all sizes and shapes of beauty sponges: egg shapes, triangle shapes, and small ones for concealer. The Beauty Gripper is also a drying stand, which keeps your counter clean and keeps your beauty blender from getting contaminated. Applying makeup has never been so fun and easy. The Beauty Gripper is going to revolutionize makeup application forever.